You know, had this been 5 or so years ago, I probably would have thrown this out. I probably would have said, nope, I'm done, throw it out. Not because it wasn't nice or wasn't good, but because I was impatient. See, I grew up watching my dad do woodworking, build things that I would be like, oh my goodness, I want to do that. I want to follow in those footsteps. I want to do those things. I want to build it. And when I was a kid, I would try. I really would. Now, I would wait until he wasn't in the shop and, I'd get out a saw or whatever, and try and recreate what he was doing. I'd get two pieces of wood, start nailing them together, or try and put a screw in them, or whatever he was trying to do. I would try and copy that. And I just never could get it right. And so I'd get aggravated. And all this happened within a time span of a few minutes. It's not for me. I'd get mad with. I didn't have patience. And so a few years ago, I tried it again. And honestly, my first few pieces, although were nice, I was not satisfied. I, to be honest, I threw a lot of them away. I tore them apart, took a chainsaw to them. I broke them apart, used them for firewood. You know, whatever I needed to do. I just didn't like them. And it was because they weren't perfect. Yet, I wasn't throwing away another project. I wasn't throwing away material. I wasn't throwing away wood. I was throwing away proof that I was learning something brand new, that I was trying something that I feared I would not be good enough at, that I could not be a perfectionist at just by starting. And so, fast forward a few years, and I try it again, one more time. One of those things I've quit and tried 1,000 times. And I fell in love with the process. I fell in love with it not being perfect. I fell in love with messing up pieces, with having the wrong cuts or having to redo the same piece a couple of different times until I got it right. Having to buy more material because I made too many cuts and had to throw some away. See, the thing is, see, if you ever got mad at something that you were starting brand new, never done it before, and said, you know what, I'm done, throwing it away. It's something that you want to learn or want to do, but you're like, nope, it ain't perfect. I'm just starting. I don't care. I'm done. And you throw it away. Be honest with me. Be honest with yourself mostly. We've all done it. But really, you wasn't throwing away a project. You wasn't throwing away material or anything of that nature. You were throwing away proof that you were learning something new and it scared you because it wasn't perfect your first go around. And I think we all get to that point. And we stay trapped in the norm because it's safer, because we know how to do the things we've done for years. And so I challenge you, when you mess up on something new, let it be all right. Let it sink in that, hey, it's not perfect, but I tried. And that's more than what most people will ever do is try. Because I promise you, every time you restart that project or do another project, you will get better and better. And before you know it, you'll be like, why did I quit in the first place? Because you never start from zero. You always start with a playing field that has already had a block put on it. because you've already done it. Even if you failed, you've already done it, so you know what not to do the next time. So you don't start from scratch. So, until next time, if you learn something worth learning, share it. Don't hold back. Share it with someone else because you never know what kind of a change in someone else's life you could make. Oh, and in case you missed it, this wasn't about woodworking. It was about patience.